Go, Katie. Fancy Grant.
You guys want gummy ones? We ate some already. We analyzed the OD on gummy bugs.
Let's see how much snow we got on Tuesday.
Katie, bring it over here. Katie, bring it over here, Daddy.
That's why you can't see the YouTube. Woo! What? 3 to 6 inches of snow Tuesday afternoon to Tuesday evening. By that time, oh, you
Why do you have to ruin my video? Katie, go kiss. Go give Brother Bear a kiss. Right now. Go, hurry. Yeah, go give Brother Bear a kiss. Go give Brother Bear a kiss real quick.
Give Brother Bear a kiss so you can eat some gummy bears.
Okay, good.